So we are recognizing 100 employees over 100 days who are working to move Henrico County Public Schools forward in big ways and small. And you were nominated and are being awarded our Yay of the Day award. So I want to tell you what your nominator has said about you. We always know how much she cares about her students and how she makes distance learning as interactive as possible because she is always there for us whenever we need her. She does an excellent job of making virtual school feel like we are actually right there with her in the classroom. One of the biggest things I miss about school is doing hands-on activities, and she gave us an experiment using materials that could be found around the house. It was such fun, it was a great lesson, and it really helped me learn about the properties of water. And so thank you for all you do for your school and for Henrico County Public Schools, and yay!
Yay! Thank you.